Chalo, good evening to all of you viewers, and we have Sai Vignesh here, who recently cleared for his FCAT entry for pilot FCAT pilot, and this was his sixth attempt. He has gone to the SSB before 5 times, 2 times for NDA in which he was conference out once and he was screened out. Then he had gone for 10 plus 2 naval entry, in which again he was once conferenced out and once screened out. And he has gone for 10 plus 2 TS Army ka bhi entry mein, where he was conference out. So total, he's got experience of 5 SSB before this time he got recommended. And he is from Vijayawada, but currently in Secunderabad, and he's doing his BTech in civil engineering. He's in the final year, and in the sixth attempt he has got cleared. His medical has been scheduled for 5th of July, and he will be, medical examination is for 3 different categories, for flying ke liye, logistic ke liye, and administration ke liye. So we hope that Sai Vignesh jo clears for the flying, and we see him as a pilot in near future. So Sai, congratulations once again.
Thank you very much, sir.
Extremely happy to hear your outstanding achievement, and after these 5th attempts. So before we start, Sai, tell us something about yourself and how is your passion for the army coming? What is your background, family ka background, और ये army का craze कहाँ से आया? And tell us in general about that. Then we'll proceed with that.
Yes, sir. So, sir, my full name is Sai Vignesh Anirudh, and I am from Hyderabad. I finished my schooling from Johnson Grammar School, and I'm also currently in my final year of engineering, and I'm doing civil engineering from a private college in Hyderabad.
Okay.
And my father is a senior steno in the Indian Railways, and my mother is a housewife. Sir, I came to know about the armed forces when I was in my class 11, when my father told me about his superior son who had passed out from the NDA and had become an officer then.
Okay. And father from the father का railway में जो उनका senior थे.
Yes, sir. His superior son, he had passed out from the NDA at that point of time.
Okay.
And he was in the army. And then that was when the armed forces thing came into my head that we have an exam called the NDA exam that we can give and later join the NDA. Then after this, as soon as I came to my class 12, I got a book for the NDA exam because we can appear the exam even if you are in the class 12.
Yeah, while in 12th you can appear.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
At that point of time, I studied, sir, but I couldn't clear the exam the first time.
Okay.
And then I knew that I had to change my preparation style, and then the second time I was able to clear it.
Okay.
And then after that, my preference order was Navy, Air Force, and the Army. I was very much interested in the Navy at that point because of the uniform, etc. And then I went to my SSB in 12 SSB Bangalore.
Okay.
And in my first attempt, I got conference out. It was my first attempt. And sir, after meeting a lot of people at the NDA, at the SSB, I understood that I need to improve in a lot of factors, especially my knowledge part, and my confidence part was very low at that point because I was looking at people around me who were doing multiple things, and I used to feel I was the person who was doing everything.
Okay.
And then that was the eye-opening moment where I knew that I have to improve myself, else I'm not going to make it.
Sai, before that, now where did you do your 10th and 12th? That also did from Hyderabad?
Yes, sir. I finished my schooling from Johnson Grammar School. It is based on ICSE syllabus. And I finished my plus 2 from FITZI Junior College, which is also in Hyderabad.
Okay. FITZI is that जो IIT का भी training करा था?
Yes, sir.
तो तुम्हारा what was the scores in 10th and 12th, just for the understanding?
Sir, I scored 88% in my class 10 and 88.6% in my class 12.
So that's fairly consistent performance, 88. And what happened, तुम्हारा, how was that FITZI wala experience?
Sir, it was good, sir. Although I would say that in my class 11, when I came to my class 11, this thing came into my head that, I got 88% in ICSE, so I'll be able to do anything now.
Yeah.
And then I didn't study properly in my class 11, because of which my marks came down. And I studied in the second year, so I was able to pull up my marks. But because of my first year, I was not able to do very well in my JEE exam.
मतलब because normally since you're preparing for JEE वगैरह के लिए, तो NDA is relatively in terms of the syllabus का intensity is much lower than that.
Yes, sir. NDA is relatively very easy, in fact. But what happened in my first attempt was my portion was not yet completed for the maths exam, for the maths paper.
Yeah, because 11th में वो integration, differentiation वो सब तो calculus वो सब होता नहीं हाँ.
So then by the time I finished my intermediate, I was able to study. I was able to finish the portion off.
Okay.
And then that was easy for me to clear the paper the second time.
Okay. So your father has been all throughout in Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
So, matlab
Since
you
he
had your
started,
entire schooling starting from class one
yes,
in
sir.
Hyderabad at one place.
Yes, sir. From in fact, my LKG, I'm
Oh,
in Hyderabad itself.
okay, okay. And then once you cleared the ND for the next time, how did you prepare for your SSB? Because first time तो तुम ऐसे ही चले गए थे मेरे ख्याल से.
No, sir. In fact, what happened was, my results had come out, and my father actually started looking out for any coaching academy, etc., in Hyderabad itself, because
Okay,
we were not very we didn't know anything about what happens in the SSB, etc.
okay.
I just looked at some articles on the internet, and there was an academy in Hyderabad itself.
Mm-hmm.
I had joined at that point, but the coaching was only for, like, I just got to know about the process, and there was nothing more that I got to know. In fact, I got to know more in my SSB than in the coaching academy.
Okay,
So I just went there for 12 days just before my SSB,
okay.
but I would say it was not as much useful as
Useful.
it claimed.
Okay. मतलब जनरली वो एसएसबी का प्रोसीजर पता चल गया कि स्टेज वन होता है, ये होता है, वो होता है, and all
Yes,
that.
sir. The basic mock interview, what they do, and
Mhm.
the psych test, and they just tell how to do it. And they
Mhm.
have a small GTO ground where they tell what to do,
Mhm.
what not to do, etc.
Okay,
But nothing more
nothing more
productive
than
than that,
that.
sir.
Okay, and then again, फिर naval गए, 10+2 गए. So what in terms of your approach or preparation? I'm sure दो बार जाने के बाद ये तो पता चल गया होगा कि SSB it is a personality based
Yes, sir.
selection. So how did you work on that or any मतलब subsequent, क्योंकि तुम 5 बार SSB गए हो, what kind of a changes you made in each time when you went, because there has to be some increment or maybe some improvement in terms of your previous performance. And SSB में आपको पता है कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद बोलते हैं इंट्रोस्पेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
तो कैसे अपने आप को समझने की कोशिश किया कि व्हाट इज गोइंग रॉन्ग, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम यू गो यू वांट टू गेट रिकमेंडेड, बट हो नहीं रहा, तो आई एम श्योर यू वुड हैव हैड योर मेथड्स टू फाइंड आउट. या
Sir, in my first attempt, as I already told you, my knowledge factor was very weak.
कैन यू एक्सप्लेन नॉलेज फैक्टर, मतलब किस तरह से बोल रहे हो?
In terms of current affairs, GK, etc., I used to practice what is available on the internet, which was direct current affairs, not the general overview and the analysis and my opinion on it.
Correct. Analysis is important because आपका अभिप्राय, आपका what is
Yes,
your
sir.
opinion? That's very important. Normally this is a mistake that people do. Even age में जो बड़े हैं वो भी क्या करते हैं, current affairs को सीधा के सीधा पकड़ लेते हैं, news को.
Yes, sir.
That is वो तो बिल्कुल आप उसको newspaper सुना रहे हो. No, what is expected is certain degree of analysis.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
In fact, in my second attempt, sir, I was asked this question of what is the Belt and Road Initiative of China, and what is this POK. I didn't know actually where was POK itself, sir, because the
okay.
officer had showed me the map and asked me, okay, tell me where is POK. I
Uh-huh.
could only show it is in Kashmir, but I didn't know where it was. That was the level of my GK.
Okay.
And then what happened was, sir, if you give me just 1 second.
Yeah,
I'll
please,
just,
please. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So so it was this, sir. And then once I went to my first SSB, my friends who got recommended, who were previously recommended, they had come that time. When I was speaking to them, I understood that this is one place where actually I have to improve, and I kind of got that inferiority complex that first time. That these people are so good, so I'm kind of already inferior to them, so I'm kind of following them all the time there. So that was one thing which actually stuck with me, that if I actually improve this, then my confidence will automatically improve. And sir, but then what happened was, at that point, then my second SSB came within the next 4 months, and I had my college exams, etc.
Okay.
And I couldn't prepare as much as I thought I could prepare.
You had already joined the college then by then, engineering?
Yes, sir. I was already in my first year.
Okay.
And then I couldn't. The second time also the same results. The screening was able to do it, but the second part, I was just going, sir, to the SSB. Oh, let's go to the SSB. अगर हो गया तो हो गया type.
हो गया करके, हाँ, मतलब तुक्का.
हाँ, sir, तुक्का.
हाँ.
Then after my second conference, I realized now this is the time we have to put in proper efforts, or else nothing's going to happen.
Okay.
And then I started actually doing some GK analysis, etc. And I was doing some physical stuff, etc. to keep myself pushing.
What are the sources you're using to update your, this current affairs and all those analytical, any internet resources that you're using?
Yes, sir. The internet, we have the YouTube channel called Study IQ. It is very
Yeah.
famous for IAS aspirants,
Yeah, yes,
etc.
aspirants के लिए बहुत, हाँ.
I thought it is very. If I start preparing for IAS, then SSB, it will become very easy.
Mm-hmm.
And I used to start correlating issues. For
Mm-hmm.
example, if anything happens in Middle East, then what is the connection with the US, with Russia,
Yeah.
with China, etc. To
Yeah.
understand the whole entire picture.
Correct.
Then, sir, what happened was I was very much confident for my third attempt, and then I got screened out in my third attempt for Naval BTech.
Uh-huh.
Then I thought I'm not able to even go enter the second thing.
Second stage, huh?
The same thing happened within the next week. I got screened out again in NDA attempt, which was more painful.
Yeah.
Because NDA attempt, you clear the paper and you
Correct.
still don't make it to the second
you clear
stage.
the UPSC, उसके बाद stage 1 निकल गया तो बुरा तो लगता है, हाँ.
And sir, the reporting was only 44, 24 got screened and I got screened out.
Okay. Okay.
It was even bad.
Yeah.
And then within the next week itself, I had my one more SSB in Bhopal,
Uh-huh.
20 SSB Bhopal for Army 10+2.
Okay.
In that, I was able to get screened in, and sir, I was very confident in that attempt. But what happened was, in the process of I want to get recommended, I felt that I kind of became desperate.
Mm.
And I think it was very much visible to the assessors as well that I was kind of becoming desperate.
Mm-hmm.
And in fact, my interviewing officer also told me in my interview that Vignesh, everything is fine, but why don't you come after engineering?
Acha.
And he told me that because he was telling that you're already in your second year of engineering. Now, if you join 10+2, you will again
do the whole thing again.
4 years again, and you'll waste your time. What
Correct.
you can do is you finish your graduation, come after graduation, then you can get through easily.
Mm-hmm.
Then I understood, sir. Now I have a lot of time left for around 2.5, 3 years. Now whatever I have to do it slowly. But
Yes.
by the time I finish
Yeah.
my graduation, I'll be there.
Yeah.
So the knowledge factor, which I was telling, I started improving it on a good level. Now I stopped watching all these news channels, which is of no use, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Their debates are of no point. Then there's a channel called Rajya Sabha TV. I think
Yeah.
everybody knows it.
Yes. Yes.
There's a show called The Big Picture. It is hosted by Frank Rosen Pereira, and there's also a show called The Security Scan.
Security
Scan. There's a host called Vishal Dahiya, and he calls on lieutenant generals, ex-chiefs, etc.
Okay.
And they talk about military equipment. What is
Okay.
the issues with the Indian military, and how can we solve them?
Mm-hmm.
And there's a channel called World Affairs, sir. It is hosted by Prashant Dhawan. It is also an excellent channel. I think this is something.
I'll request you after this, thing is over between us. Kindly share the links. I'll share it with the people in the Telegram channel.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah. Okay. World
And,
Affairs.
World Affairs. And there's also a channel called Strat News Global.
Okay.
It is a channel entirely on defense and strategic affairs.
This is an Indian channel.
This is an Indian channel.
Stat News
Global.
Global.
It is owned by a person called Nitin Gokhale.
Acha, I'm not aware of this channel. Okay.
This is very good, sir. It's a very small channel, but it is excellent.
Okay. Yeah. I'll share these details with the people in the.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this is something I started doing, sir. And then I knew that some of my hobbies were not very worthwhile.
Mm-hmm.
I was only doing very random hobbies, or if I was just watching YouTube or something like that. Then the lockdown had come last year,
Yeah.
and I had very much free time.
Yeah.
And my friends actually read a lot of books.
Mm-hmm.
And my father also used to read books. He used to advise me to read books, but I never thought of doing. But in the lockdown, as I had a lot of free time, I started reading books.
Okay.
So the first book I read was a very small book. It is called The 1 Minute Manager.
Yeah, I read that. I have a copy of that.
Yes, sir. In fact, I got it from your videos only, sir.
Yeah, that's a very small book, but
Yes,
yeah, but useful tips are there.
Then I understood that self-help books were not the books which I was very much interested in.
Mm-hmm.
So then I started. There was a book called Regaining India's Economic Legacy by Dr. Subramaniam Swamy on the current stage of Indian economy and how can we improve it.
Mm-hmm.
Then I read books on 62, 67, 71, 99 wars, sir. I was interested in it, so I did it.
Okay.
Then I also read books on soft power. I read books on yeah, basically geopolitics, sir. So this was the field which I was very much interested in. And when I was speaking to my friends, etc., they used to ask me, "Oh, what is happening?" and all that, and my confidence started boosting up.
So this was
Because
during the last lockdown, the first lockdown tha.
yes, sir. Last year in 2020 March, April, I started doing
March
this.
se start hua. Those times, some of you really got into book reading.
Yes, sir. Definitely. I in fact finished 15 books, sir. And in fact, my interviewing officer this time also asked me, "Okay, tell me the books you've read." So, and sir, what I did was, in fact, in my home also, I started helping my parents, if comparatively much better than before.
Just
And I,
Vignesh, एक चीज जानना चाहता हूँ. You are a single child to your parents?
no, sir, I have a younger brother. He's currently in his first year of intermediate.
First, अच्छा, okay, 11. Okay, yeah.
11th May, yes, sir.
Okay, huh.
And I started helping my brother out in his exam studies, etc. I used to do it before also, but now a little more
Oh,
focused.
seriously, huh?
Yes, sir. And in fact, with my friends also, if they need anything, then I used to go and help them out, etc. And it made me feel good from inside. And before, in fact, sir, before what my parents and friends used to say is that hopefully you'll make it this time. But then this time when I was going, they were very sure that this time you'll make it.
Acha. This time, mother, sixth attempt.
Yes, sir. Sixth attempt. I got a long gap, no, sir. So
because a lot of changes you actually they would have felt in you. From
yes, sir.
reading books to
Reading books, I became a better person, I would say, sir, in myself. I felt happy from inside.
Okay.
I felt proud from inside that I'm doing certain things which are making other people happy. It is making me also happy.
Okay.
In fact, when the interviewing officer had asked me in this attempt, what do you do with your parents? I just gave him a lot of examples what I did in the lockdown and before that. And he was very much satisfied with that also.
Okay.
And so, sir, I think that is what, sir. I became a happier person. I started doing things for my friends, family, etc. It motivated me from inside, and I kept pushing myself even when I knew I can't do it. Just that, even if I'm in the gym, for example, I'm doing 10 reps, I push myself. Oh, one more. You can do it. You can do it. That is what I think pushed me to become a better person, and I think that's the result. That's the positive result which had come out.
Okay, Vignesh, let's come to AFOSUPIN SML content. You were actually watching a lot of videos before also. What difference did you find in the approach in the SML and the AFOSUPIN, and how did you find this approach different because of which you got involved in these videos and interacted with me? So what was the difference that you felt?
Yes, sir. Sir, I remember the old videos of AFOSOP where you used to say content is more important and content is the bullet and the gun is the
language
expression.
Absolutely.
My language speaking skills was always good, sir. So I understood that the videos actually made a lot of sense and it is very practical. And although the process takes a bit time, but in the end it is worth it. And sir, I also remember the classes of SML which you used to take on YouTube for free.
Yeah.
Where you used to talk about introspect. I didn't understand what this introspect meant. But then one day it just struck to me that, I just have to think and sit and think what I did in my life and were the decisions I made wrong or right. And if I made any mistake, how can I make sure to correct them so that I don't repeat them?
Yeah.
And this inside out approach, which you keep telling, that got stuck into my head, sir. I never understood. Everybody keeps doing. In fact, I used to do this, sir. I used to do a lot of practice, etc. But the stories never were good. I didn't understand why. But then I understood that I have to become a better person in real life, or else this is not going to work. It.
Yeah. Now I'll just before we further to all viewers, like Abhi Sai Vignesh is speaking, is communicating English, and you can see he's speaking. There are two levels at which he is speaking to me. One, there is an internal communication that is happening within him, which first he has to understand before he expresses on the outside, and that outside communication reaches me. And when I listen to that outside communication, I have to understand his communication in a manner that he wishes me to understand. That means before I understand his communication, he has to understand his communication. और अगर आप लोगों ने भी I don't know साई विघ्नेश आपने देखा होगा recent video जहाँ पे wishful thinking लिखा है. Now that boy also had gone to SSB 6 times. He was writing 7 times. But each time when you're writing, you are not aware what are you writing. इसका मतलब क्या है? There is a lack of clarity within you, but you expect the other person to understand you. That will never happen. So introspection, it's a spiritual word, but very simply put, you should be able to analyze your own communication before you communicate externally. Like the next line I'm speaking, You would hear only once I speak, but before you hear, I should hear that and I should understand what is the message I'm transmitting. There has to be internal clarity to bring external clarity. Sai, I hope you're understanding. So, a mindless writing TAT or manipulating yourself is only changing the superficial exterior without touching the core. That was the message through those videos that you referred, circle of influence, circle of concern.
Yes, sir.
Sai.
In fact, I'll give you an example, sir. Manipulating the thing. Basically, the 12 CAT stories I used to start reading. The first two stories are very good, sir.
Yeah,
By the third, fourth story, it is the same picture again.
absolutely.
So it was not getting into my head, sir. Why is this happening? Because I've improved myself. I used to think I improved myself. I
Yeah,
didn't improve myself actually.
yeah.
So that was the difference, which I actually found out that when I was thinking about what am I actually doing, and then at the end I understood, sir, this is not something which is superficial. You have to
Hmm.
go inside, and I used to never accept my mistakes, sir.
Hmm.
For
Hmm.
example, in my 11th, I didn't study, sir. I didn't feel like studying.
Hmm.
But then I never accepted that I didn't study. I used to give out some reason. I used to blame it on somebody else or something like that.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And then in one of your videos, you actually mentioned that once you accept your mistakes, you start improving.
In fact, acceptance of your mistake is the first step to correct it. सबसे पहला तो acceptance से पहले identification. मतलब if you don't identify, there is no question of acceptance. Having identified, the next biggest challenge is we don't want to face the truth. हमें
Yes.
सच से डर लगता है. So unless you accept that there is something in you has to change, that the process of change itself will not come, and it's very easy to blame. That's why you will see कि मतलब this approach, like you said, it is a very time-consuming process. It is because you have to make changes within you, and making changes within you is not an easy job, and it's not everybody's job. The biggest problem is जब ये मेरा नकाब निकलता है, what I see inside, it is very difficult for me to accept that. That's a dark side of me. So, like you said, acceptance is the first step. Otherwise, हम superficially ऊपर ऊपर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जब तक हम वो core में नहीं झांकेंगे, we will end up only polishing the outside. So that's a very good thing you said. That acceptance is the first thing, that something within me has to change. But
Yes.
वो जब तक वो नहीं आएगा, जब like you said in the second attempt you were at second या third attempt you are attached with the outcome कि SSB recommend होना है, छटपटाते रहोगे तो you cannot focus inward. So
Yes, sir.
it is a conflict of mind कि do you want to improve or do you want to mask it?
I'm in fact, sir, you put it very clearly that I used to try to mask it.
Yeah, that's easy. That's easy, but
Easy,
it
sir. I don't.
it does not yield you the result.
Yeah, the outcome is never there, sir. I used to think, why is this happening? But then, sir, the lockdown was actually it was
Yeah.
blessing in disguise, sir, because
Yeah.
it actually helped me understand myself very well, and I understood that whatever mistakes I've made. In fact, once sometimes when I speak to my parents, I tell them, that time I didn't study. I know I understood. I made that mistake,
Yeah.
but I make sure that I didn't repeat it.
My own life, if you see, I've made a couple of videos with me, it's a bundle of mistake. And unless I realize that I'm making a mistake, the correction will not happen. So to all viewers, those who are going for SSB, आप लोग एक wishful thinking के ऊपर नहीं जाओ. Don't assume कि आप हो जाओगे. You have to test whether you, and ये जो manipulative approach है, it is like अगर आप मान लो घर में कोई गलती करते हो और आपके पापा आपको पकड़ लेते हैं, the faster you say पापा I'm sorry मुझसे गलती हो गया, शायद आपको डांट कम पड़ेगा. अगर आप लीपा पोती करो, झूठ बोलो, मकारी करो, फिर पकड़े जाए तो मार ज्यादा पड़ेगा. इन द सेम वे बेटर इज टू इंप्रूव योरसेल्फ रादर देन आप एक उस सिस्टम में जाके उनको झूठ बोल रहे हो जिन्होंने आपको रेकमेंड करना है. देन इंटीग्रिटी इज अ कोर क्वालिटी इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो इस अप्रोच को, माइंडसेट को अगर चेंज कर लिया तो लाइक विघ्नेश ने बोला, इट्स मच मोर इजियर फॉर यू टू प्रिपेयर rather than putting so much of effort in making your stories and the character. Actually Vignesh, ये जो TAT के जो heroes है, hero oblique heroines है, they are puppets of your hand.
Yes.
They're puppets of your mind. But unfortunately, the candidate themselves become puppets of
The stories.
the story of the wrong influence, like people
Yes.
like us. कि मतलब your brain is under our control. Oh, that freedom, functional freedom to think is very important. So good, Sai. Good to hear that. Now let's come to specifics, Sai. How did the concept of SML help you to understand yourself, and how did it help you to handle your specifically interview के CIQ questions? Because interview ka CIQ is nothing but it is your analyzing of past.
Yes, sir.
So how did this clarity of understanding yourself help you to, respond to those or prepare for those CIQ, which is purely your life?
Yes, sir. So what I initially started doing was I noted down all the good things I felt I did very well in my life.
Yeah,
And I also noted down all the things which I felt I didn't do very well or I could have done much better.
done better.
Then what I did was, in fact, sir, I started realizing that, if I don't accept my mistakes, I'm not going to go anywhere.
Hmm.
And that was the first step which I felt I did very well. In fact, when I used to speak to my parents, after accepting it, I felt very good.
Yeah.
And then I started feeling much better, sir, once I was doing smaller good
Hmm.
things. I
Hmm.
started accepting my mistakes. I became much more patient, in fact,
Hmm.
when this all such things started happening.
Hmm.
And then, sir, in fact, if I come to the CIQ part, my interviewing officer, he didn't give me any CIQ, sir. He just
Acha.
asked me, Vignesh, tell me about your family for 10 minutes. Go ahead.
Okay. Acha, matlab he didn't ask you the question, gave you the freedom.
He gave me the freedom, sir. So I
Okay.
told him, sir that, sir, in my family, we do ABC. And then I just gave him examples of what I have done until now because that is what I've written down in my book. I
Yeah.
didn't by heart it, sir, but it was in my head.
You don't need to buy hard because you're speaking about your own life. All you
Yes,
need
sir.
to know is know yourself. And दूसरा मैं to all viewers I'll say कि whether it is self description के strength हो या weakness हो या interview में self evaluation के question पूछते हैं, they ask you what are your strengths and weaknesses. There is nothing to mug up. You cannot take it from some XYZ book. It has to be yours. And the best thing मतलब the most important thing is अगर आप बोलते हो if I say my communication skill is an important skill that I have, I must have supporting evidence to establish कि मैं कहाँ से बोल रहा हूँ. मतलब to whatever claims you make, there has to be corresponding evidence from life. नहीं तो वो हवा में बोलोगे मैं ऐसे ही बोल दूं आई एम वेरी करेजियस तो पूछे कहाँ से करेजियस हो वो मेरे पास कोई वो नहीं है.
Give
So
me an example.
yeah, give me an example. So
My friend got asked this question, sir, in fact.
no, it is expected. अगर फल होगा तो बीज होना चाहिए.
Yes.
You are making फल without no seed is there. So this is very important. और इसमें कोई memorize करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. The more you understand yourself and the more you're honest to yourself, you don't have to remember anything. Yeah, you were speaking about
Yes,
that.
sir. So basically, what happened? So in fact, rather than giving adjectives to the interviewing officer, which generally
Yeah.
I used to do, I just gave him the examples of what I did, sir.
Hmm.
So in fact, there was no point of even questioning because he understood what he wanted to get. Because I was giving direct examples, sir. I did this, and then because of this, I did this. In fact, later what happened, sir? At the end of the interview, he asked me, Vignesh, I see that you're from State Board of Intermediate.
Hmm.
Your school and graduation marks are very good, but what about your plus two? They are very bad.
No, very bad का 88 है.
But sir, the State Board actually people get 96 and 97.
Okay,
So
okay,
compare.
that way.
So I told him, sir, at that point of time, the thing that I scored 88 in ICSC that went into my head,
Hmm.
and because of that, I thought I could do anything. And in my plus 11, I didn't study anything. So that is the reason why I didn't score, sir. But later I realized the mistake, and then in my graduation, I have good percentage.
Yeah.
So then he realized that, sir. So he told, okay, good. That's all, sir.
Actually, when you're honest, then what is the question to be asked? You already told. Question तो तब आएगा when the other person feels that you're hiding something.
In
So
fact, sir, this happened in my fifth attempt, sir, in my 10+2 army entry, where I was constantly being questioned because I was hiding a lot of things.
can you explain with the example क्या हुआ कैसे hide किया करने की कोशिश कर कैसे पकड़ा
So
गया?
the same questions are of class 11, why didn't you study or why didn't you do very well in your JE exam, etc. I used to blame it, sir, that I was put in a wrong batch. My faculty was very good. They were not very, they never used to come regularly, etc. But then I knew internally that I didn't study.
Yeah.
This realization I got it at a later point, sir. And the same question I got asked this time, I told him, sir, I didn't study. That is why I didn't got picked.
Yeah.
So
So
he
it
was
is very
satisfied.
easy to blame others. कि भैया वो खराब ये खराब Allahabad is a rejection center. I was in Allahabad. There are a lot of people who get selected from there. It is you who have to be worthy of that selection. So that's
Yes.
very good. So interview में this time no major issues.
Sir, interview was the smoothest ever, sir. All the questions I asked him, I answered it very honestly. So the interviewing officer, he didn't even feel like probing or anything, sir, because I was giving him whatever I felt, whatever he wanted. So the interview was finished within 30-35 minutes, and he said, "Very good, Vignesh. I think you'll make it this time."
Okay. अच्छा, he gave a hint like that. Any current affairs से कुछ पूछा current affairs के बारे में?
Yes, sir. He just told me, Vignesh, tell me one national news and one international news.
Okay.
So he told me, tell me anything other than Palestine and Israel and the Corona thing. So I gave him two, sir, the Chinese
Okay,
and
मतलब जो
Philippines.
एकदम current है उसको निकाल दिया.
Yes, sir. The current thing he removed, but he told me, tell me other than this.
So what did you say?
Sir, I gave him the thing that Philippines wants to buy BrahMos missiles from India.
Okay.
And Sri Lanka has removed India from the Eastern Colombo port, the project India-Japan combined project.
Huh.
And then national news, I gave him elections and the vaccination things. So he told me, tell me more.
Tell
So I
me
gave
more.
him, yes, sir. He told me, tell me more. Open
Okay.
ended question.
Uh-huh.
So I told him, sir, that Europe is facing a lot of immigration crisis. America has a lot of vaccination problems. Then Chinese, I spoke about the recent US and Chinese the rovers which they went to Mars. I spoke about the FTA which we signed with Maldives, the boat which we had given to Seychelles, and in the Indian Ocean region, what is India doing with respect to Quad? What is Australia doing with respect to China? All the ASEAN countries, how they are dealing with Corona.
You are prepared, so you had no problem in that.
I just kept going on, sir. He said, okay, I understood.
Okay, if I ask you specifically कि Israel और Palestine के बीच में जो चल रहा है, now India is not able to take an open stand against that thing. मतलब वो बड़ा बीच का रास्ता लेके चल रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
What's your opinion? Why India is taking that middle path? Why it's not coming out with a clear cut either this side or that side?
Sir, what happened was in 1947, as soon as after Israel and Palestine were designated as separate countries, India accepted both the countries as legitimate countries.
Okay.
And then later, what happened was India was actually siding with Palestine for the initial years of our India relations with these countries. We actually had supported them financially, etc. And so, sir, a sudden shift in policy is not possible. And we realized the importance of Israel because Israel has been giving us intelligence. In 71 war, they actually had helped us in winning the war. And then in 99 war also, they had helped us with bombs, etc. And so the over time, Indian foreign policy makers understood that Israel is actually a very important country in terms of technology, in terms of their manpower, although very small country, but they're very intelligent people, etc. So that is how our policy started shifting after the 2014 government had come into picture, where we are actually kind of pro-Israel now. So, sir, a sudden shift in policy is not possible. That is why India has been kind of silent.
उसके अलावा देखो मतलब if you remember, Prime Minister Modi was the first Prime Minister from India who visited Israel.
Yes,
Israel के साथ एक और है, जैसे इजराइल के साथ हमारा POK और अक्साई चीन का भी एक कनेक्शन है, मतलब नॉट कनेक्शन कि इजराइल को अगर इंडिया अगर अप्रूव करता है तो हमारा क्योंकि उधर भी काफी क्या, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन दैट?
So basically, sir, Israel wants every other country to accept it because many, especially Middle Eastern countries, Pakistan, etc., they don't accept Israel as a country itself. And if they don't even approve of their existence, then it will be an issue, no, sir, for them in terms of international stage, etc. They are always anti them.
Yeah.
So once India started supporting Israel, Israel will support India in many terms, in terms of weapons, in terms of technology, in terms of, for example, the Iron Dome system. They can help us in. They actually helped us in the Barak 8 missiles, which we have. It is an air defense system, and they'll also help us internationally in terms of supporting us with POK, in terms of supporting us with Aksai chain. In fact, even the Northeast, they'll have investment in the Northeast. So China will think of investment in. Thinking about Arunachal Pradesh because Israel, Japan, US, etc. are investing in this area. So there's a lot of connections. In fact, I would say.
चलो, very good. चलो ऐसे एक और सवाल, just because since you're going for pilot entry, just out of curiosity, just to know कि how much you are prepared. आपको पता है जो MiG-21 Bison जो विंग कमांडर अभिनंदन वाला,
yes, sir.
F-16.
Yes, sir.
पाकिस्तान की साइड से. What is the difference between MiG-21 and MiG-21 Bison? It's a modification.
Sir, the MiG-21 was it is a 60s Soviet plane, and we had got it in the 65 war. We actually had got one squadron, and by 71 war it was our main fighter jet. It is a third generation aircraft. Although the Bison version, they have updated avionics and electronics.
So I want to know what is the modification, upgrades. What is the upgradation? If you can be very specific.
Yes, sir. So basically, what they do is we have the avionics inside the system in terms of communication, navigation, radar, etc. These are updated over time. And we also have a system called heads-up display. We have a FOTAS system, etc., which are updated over time to make them compatible with the third generation, fourth generation aircraft. So the F-16 is a fourth generation. It is also a raid fighter. Basically, when dogfight happens, the F-16 can chase us out once we are moving in a circle. The F-16 can come behind us and come to our 6 o'clock and then shoot us down if a missile is not being used. So the F-16 is comparatively much better aircraft in terms of its raid fighting abilities, in terms of the missiles it uses like AMRAAM, etc. And it has a much better electronic warfare suite, etc. So whatever Wing Commander Abhinandan did was he's a legend.
Okay, chalega, good. Now let's come back to stage one. I jumped from Sida interview chala gaya tha. How many people had come and what was this time, this jahan pe tum select hue the, what was the experience of stage one?
Yes, sir. So I reported at 2 FSB Mysore on 17th of May, last Monday, in fact. And 99 people had reported, sir, because I think the COVID thing, less people had reported.
Okay, 99.
And, yes, sir. 99 people had reported.
Okay. And how many?
46 people got screened in, sir.
Okay. And what was the experience? You would have been put in a repeater batch, so fish market to bana hi hoga.
It was fish market to a next level, sir.
Okay.
So, but sir, my OIR was very good. My story was my story was normal. I didn't make any out of the box superhero.
Yeah, I still have in my laptop your stories. I was going through that.
And sir, my narration is always crisp.
Your communication, your ability to express is very good. What was the story? That is a different thing. Your expression has no problem. Okay.
So, sir, these three, sir, this is one more thing I'd like to say, sir. These three are in our hands, sir. The GD is not completely in our hands.
Absolutely.
So,
in fact, मैं बोलने ही वाला था ये to all the viewers. देखो यार stage one से in fact AFOSUP का एक वीडियो भी है major reasons for stage one non recommendation करके I request you to watch that. आपको पता चलना stage one में मतलब you can divide the whole stage one process into 4 sub parts. The first part is OAR. So OAR is completely in your hand. आप उसको practice करो. SSB में जो OAR questions आते हैं they are not very difficult. But what actually makes it difficult is time नहीं मिलता. So करीब 25-26 मिनट में आपको साला 50-60 करना होता है. That creates problem. This can be overcompensated. This can be compensated by practice. The more you practice OAR, आपका intelligence बढ़े ना बढ़े, लेकिन your ability to respond to that will definitely improve. So those who wish to get that OAR का जो booklets वगैरह चाहिए, तो there are so many floating around. It is also available in the AFOSUP का official जो Telegram channel. You can take it from there. So OAR is completely in your hand. So that's the first 1/4 of the stage one test. Second is picture story का observation, perception and a beautiful story writing is in your hand. अब आप वहां पे अगर एक पिक्चर में अगर आप उसको रट पटा के लेके चले जाते हो और उल्टा पुल्टा लिख देते हो, जैसे अपना वो विशफुल थिंकिंग वाले में लड़के ने अपना कर दिया एकदम स्कूल का लड़के ने डिस्ट्रिक्ट के, दैट इज कंप्लीटली टैंजेंट में चला जाता है. There is one picture. It is your job to perceive the picture very, very clearly. उसके लिए आपके आंखों से गलती नहीं होना चाहिए ऑब्जर्वेशन पे, माइंड से गलती नहीं होना चाहिए परसेप्शन पे, एंड देन बिल्डिंग अप द स्टोरी, व्हाट लेड टू द सिचुएशन, व्हाट इज करंटली, एंड ब्यूटीफुल राइटिंग, नीट हैंडराइटिंग रखो, बॉक्स मार्किंग करो 1 मिनट में, ऑल दोस थिंग्स. इसके लिए भी देयर इज अ वीडियो स्टेज 1 बॉक्स मार्किंग के ऊपर, वॉच दैट. सो दिस इज अनदर 1/4. सो फर्स्ट 1/4 इज OAR, सेकंड इज योर स्टोरी का ऑब्जर्वेशन, perception and beautiful story writing. The next thing that is in your control and the next 1/4 is your individual story narration, 1 minute time. This 1 minute is yours. Nobody can stop it. And the 3 SSRs are directly looking at you when you're speaking. You must make the best use of this. 1 minute आपके ऊपर पूरा 1 minute आपको वो तीनों psychologist, GTO and interviewing officer, they are going to look at you. And you have this 1 minute which you have to speak to the group. This narration has to be so clear, so crisp. जैसा भी विघ्नेश जिस तरह से बोल रहा है, he is not giving story, but you can see what clarity with कितना comfort के साथ बोल रहा है. अगर यहाँ पे आपका power of expression कमजोर है, अगर यहाँ पे आपका language skill नहीं है, अगर यहाँ पे आपको unnecessarily stress आ जाता है, एंशियस हो जाते हो, हाथ पांव कांपता है, गला सूखता है, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में प्रॉब्लम आता है, दिस इज गॉन. एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम द एसएसएस आर डायरेक्टली ऑब्जर्विंग यू. इससे पहले लिख रहे थे, दे हैव नॉट सीन यू. इससे पहले OAR दे रहे थे, दे डोंट नो. दिस 1 minute they can see you directly. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. The last 1/4 is group discussion. Invariably it is a fish market. So even if you leave the last 1/4, the first 3/4 is in your hand, और इस 3/4 के बेस पे you can actually get triple Y. You can actually get triple Y. I'm not talking about after discussion. After discussion तो जो होगा. So you can definitely clear stage 1 if you can take care of your OAR, if you can take care of your picture ka observation, perception, and good story writing. So communication has to be there, thinking में clarity, रट्टा शट्टा नहीं, and 1 minute narration. And बाकी discussion तो राम भरोसे उसमें भी you can do it. If your public speaking skills and interpersonal skills are good, you can still find a way out. But even if you disregard that, 3/4 is still in your hand. I think Vignesh वही बोलना चाह रहा था ना.
Yes, sir, definitely. Because GD is always a fish market in repeaters batch, sir. So whatever is in our hands,
No, why repeaters batch? Today, even in freshers batch, it is a wo, because वो coaching में they become worse than repeaters. उल्टा पुल्टा और सिखा देते. So there is no difference between मतलब today because of the coaching and its influence. Hardly there is a difference between a fresher and a repeater. The fresher, he goes to the SLB first time, but he has gone through the procedure multiple times in the coaching center, so he is as bad as a repeater in that sense. तो मुझे तो मतलब if you're a coach candidate and if your coaching is too much on this kind of emphasis कि ज्यादा बोलना, सबसे बोलना, पहले बोलना, चिल्लाना, dominate करना, then you're gone. So I think
in fact, sir, all the people who were dominating, who were shouting, all of them were sent back, sir.
बिल्कुल यार, मतलब आपको कैसे लग रहा है कि आप वहां पे you're supposed to discuss, but you're creating such actually कुछ लड़के तो लड़कियां भी शायद वहां तो आते इसलिए हम तो डूबेंगे सनम, तुम्हें भी लेके डूबेंगे, मतलब कुछ तो ऐसे भी लगते हैं मुझे. मतलब when I was there मुझे लगता है ये लड़का कर क्या रहा है, मतलब he has no brains, he's shouting like a bloody jackal and he's, तो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है भाई मैं निकलूं ना निकलूं, अपने ग्रुप में किसी को निकलने नहीं दूंगा, ऐसे भी एटीट्यूड के साथ लोग आते हैं. तो द बेस्ट थिंग इज आप अपने जो कंट्रोल में है, OIR, picture perception and story writing and your narration, nobody can disturb you. You must do the best here, and of course group discussion तो जो होता है वो होगा ही है, उसमें जो भी आपको अपना करना. So that is very good point, Vignesh, कि मतलब आपके
and in fact, sir, I only got one opportunity to speak in the GD.
Yeah, बाकी चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया.
Sir, am I audible? Because
you are audible. Yeah, audible. Your screen got stuck. Now it's okay. Yeah, bolo. Yes, Vignesh.
Okay, sir. Yes,
so,
sir.
Out
in the
of
GD, I only got one opportunity to speak, sir.
Okay. So after 19 and 46 were retained for stage 2.
Yes, sir. 46 were retained for stage 2, and my chest number was 41 the second time.
41. Okay. Now let's come back to psychological test. Now, I keep promoting a concept called congruence. Now, I want to know, Sai Vignesh, how much you have understood what does this congruence चीज जो मैं बोलता हूँ, जोड़ाओ. आप जो बोल रहे हो, जो सोच रहे हो और जो कर रहे हो, इनमें जोड़ाओ. So this word, I don't know what if others are now started using congruence. These tests are not tests in isolation. They're all interdependent. So can you explain, Sai Vignesh, how much you understood the whole concept of karma, vacha, mansa mein judao? Can you explain that?
Yes, sir. So basically, sir, I'll explain it with the psychological test itself.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sir, in the SD, we inflate our qualities and we write all the things which we are definitely not, sir, most of the time. And then I used to see it myself, sir, that in the TATM, my hero is doing, he's having some issue and then he's not solving it. In fact, he's moving around the issue, which I was actually doing it in my real life.
Mm-hmm.
And then I understood that this is the congruence which they actually need, which comes from inside.
Yeah.
So once I have clarity in whatever I'm doing, that, okay, this is the hero, he will do this, that's all. There's no moving around here and there. And then the congruence automatically started flowing in my stories, sir.
Yes.
And this also, as I already told you, sir, this also started happening once I started doing more things in life. I started having good hobbies. I started becoming a better person of myself.
Yeah.
So then this congruence will automatically come once we stop thinking about the psychological test and start improving as a person.
बिल्कुल सही बोला. मतलब what you want your hero to do in the story, if you're doing in the life, this will automatically come because it is the
Definitely,
same.
Sir.
Yeah,
in fact, I wrote a couple of stories.
Yeah, bolo. You wrote a couple of stories.
Yes, sir. I wrote two of my pictures. I wrote it with relating to my life only, sir, which I did it recently.
Yeah.
So I felt after writing this whole psychological test, I understood that this is the congruence they were looking for.
मैं और बड़ा सिंपल तरीके से बोलूं तो ऐसा समझ लो, थोड़ा सा एक समझना, यूं समझना कि तुम्हारा जो SD है, SRT है, ये दोनों शोरूम है जहां पे people come and watch your product. शोरूम है. TAT is the item which you keep it in the godown.
Yes.
समझे क्या बोलो? शोरूम गो डाउन, what is visible to the customers, showroom में जो रखा है ना, showroom is always clean, very neatly kept, AC लगा हुआ है, लाइट म्यूजिक भी है, पानी भी है, चाय भी है, everything is good, catalog is very good, product catalog, that's your SD. But TAT is not from the showroom, it comes from the go down. And the worst thing in the SSB is go down का जो TAT वो पहले आ जाता है, मतलब the final product which has to be delivered to the क्या बोलते हैं कस्टमर, it comes first. Go down से पहले आप दे देते हो 12 TAT. So we have already seen the product in the go down, whether good or bad. Then we come to the showroom. मतलब यहाँ पे हम go down में पहले देखते हैं, फिर शोरूम में देखते हैं. और आपको पता है शोरूम में सबका अच्छा ही होता है. अगर if SD was the basis of selection साई, if your SD was the basis of selection, trust me, you should have got recommended the first attempt itself.
Oh, definitely, sir.
क्यों? Because your SD had no problem.
Pinpoint perfect.
Pinpoint, मतलब उसमें तो weakness ढूंढने से नहीं मिलता है. You were so good in your SD. So in all the 5 times when you got non-recommended, definitely the SD was not the problem. The problem was the go down, TAT. और TAT को अगर ठीक करना है, तो there has to be the same product what you're trying to show in the SD has to be there in the go down. This will only come when you're a person of that kind. Otherwise, like in the Vishful story mein, you are making a 12th standard student doing something amazing beyond a district level pay. This is not your true self. This is OLQ ko sprinkling OLQ. So incongruence aata. So that's very good example that you said. So how was it overall experience this time, and how was it different from the previous 5 SSB का psychological test का performance? मतलब because you have got recommended, you will definitely say I did well. But in terms of understanding, क्या फर्क लग रहा है?
Sir, I used to before going. Sir, in the Air Force SSBs, the psychological test was on the same day.
मतलब on the same day मतलब?
On the same day of screening, we have the psychological test.
Okay, what time was the screening? कितने बजे start हुआ था?
The screening started at around 10 o'clock, sir, and by 1 o'clock they announced the results.
Okay, उसके बाद second half evening में खाने के आने के बाद psych test है?
No, sir. After psychological test, dinner.
Oh, मतलब hectic है फिर?
It is very long day, sir. They start at 6 o'clock and it goes until 9 o'clock, and then at 9:30
मतलब
we
पहले
have.
दिन जोश निकाल देते हैं.
It is very hectic, sir, because there is no time to think, no, sir. In the army and navy SSBs, what I used to do before was
you have 1 day का gap होता था.
So I used to read my other theme stories, etc. So that I thought, okay, this story is good. I'll try to fit it in there, etc. So this time, what I did was I made up my mind this time that I'm going to enjoy the SSB this time, and then I went to the free mind, sir. And then once I started writing the stories were coming out so well.
They were flowing.
Very well, sir. In fact, they were so good that I used to think, oh, this is very good.
And then, okay, and और इस time में preparation के नाम से did you do lot of story writing, या it was more of a understanding कि क्या requirement है उसी के ऊपर क्या किया था in terms of preparation?
I left story writing long ago, sir. I understood it is not going to cut the ice, but I made sure that I'm able to write I practiced a couple of stories because I wanted to keep them crisp.
मैं व्यूअर्स को यहाँ पे मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि practicing too many stories will only make your mind very narrow, because वो आप उन स्टोरी में एक बार पिक्चर देख लिया और आपने कोई स्टोरी उससे मिलता जुलता किया तो दो स्टोरी will come and interfere. So I will suggest you not to do too much of practice on story writing, but you must do a lot of internal thinking किसी भी situation को लेके, and not in terms of story writing, in terms of a problem है. अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो उसके पीछे कोई कारण होगा. व्हाट इज दैट कारण व्हिच इज क्रिएटिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम, और अगर इस प्रॉब्लम को ठीक करना है, हाउ डू आई, व्हाट चेंजेस शुड आई ब्रिंग इन दिस, at what level, at intellectual change, emotional change, whatever, and then what is the outcome that I want. So एक mental approach to problem solving has to be there. But if you write too many stories, OLQ लिखना, ये लिखना, this becomes absolutely a mask. सेकेंड चीज, आजकल के जनरेशन को एक और प्रॉब्लम जो मैंने अपने बच्चों के साथ भी ऑब्जर्व किया है, वो है कि पीपल हैव लॉस्ट द राइटिंग स्किल्स because of the technology, cut paste and all that. Our writing skills have gone down. So sometimes even when you have good thoughts coming, you are not able to put it on paper because वो हाथ सपोर्ट नहीं करता, physically हाथ सपोर्ट नहीं करता. It is like the printer is printing slow. So For that purpose you have to practice writing so that your hand supports your thoughts. So otherwise क्या होगा? It is like कुएं में पानी अच्छा है लेकिन नलके से पानी बहुत कम निकल रहा है.
It is
I don't know,
stuck.
Vignesh, if you had faced that problem कि हाथ दर्द हो रहा है. I have seen जब यहाँ पे टेस्ट देते हैं लड़के पेन छोड़ के ऐसे ऐसे करते रहते हैं क्योंकि their hand is paralyzed. They are not used to writing. To that effect, you have to practice writing, but not TAT. Write whatever, write ऐसे, write वो, whatever लिखना है. लेकिन हाथ को चलाना है.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
This practice, I did it, sir. In fact, I took random pictures from internet. I knew my stories are very good.
No.
So that was not the issue. I just wanted to keep them crisp and within time so that I write all the stories. So I did 4 or 5 stories, sir, but I understood, okay, I can do this. So it was not an issue. Sir, in fact, what you mentioned is root cause, sir. I'd like to say one thing.
Root cause analysis.
So there is one book, I think you only mentioned this, sir, this book called Problem Solving 101. This book is by a Japanese, it is written for kids, sir. So basically to make them understand what is the actual problem.
Yeah.
For example, sir, I remember, sir, the drama and the dead body picture.
Yeah.
But I wrote this story, sir, once.
Okay.
And then, sir, I understood that is not the actual thing. The problem is person is dead. Now what can we do?
देखो, the moment Sai Vignesh, if a picture of a dead body is shown, even a small 6-7-year-old child also know it's a dead body. So you as an adult 22-23-year-old, you cannot say कि सर मुझे दिखता नहीं है. This is completely a misguidance given by people like us who in the name of be positive इसको बोलते हैं कि SSB में जा रहे हो, death नहीं होना, drama कर दो. Look at what's happening post COVID in the second wave. 4,000 of death. Can you make all of them drama? You should not go for a personality assessment. You should go for a psychiatric assessment.
Definitely, sir.
You know, a person who is having suicidal tendency, you should not go for the SSB. You should not become an officer. So there is no point somebody guiding them कि hide it. वो completely गलत है. वो पूरा कब किसके हित में आप बात कर रहे हो? So now you tell me, अगर कोई family में कोई death हो जाता है, एंड अगर वहां जाके आप सबके सामने बोलो नहीं नहीं ये डेथ नहीं है ड्रामा है, बी पॉजिटिव, तो आपको लोग क्या बोलेंगे? दे विल से कि तुम्हारा कुछ हिला हुआ है. सोच के देखो. What is expected out of you is to accept it is a death and act appropriately. Death is a truth of life, and if it happens in your life, you have no choice but to accept it. It has happened with me. My father I've lost, my wife I've lost 10 years back. In fact, today was the date when I lost her. 24th May 2011 May. So I cannot make it a drama. The moment you make it a drama, when we showed the picture to you, dead body, we expected you to take it as dead body, accept that, and understand the associated, issues with that, and handle it appropriately. But the moment you change it, we call it, you're using a defense mechanism called denial of reality. इसका मतलब क्या है? Your eyes are telling you, सुनना क्या बोल रहा हूँ Vignesh, your eyes are telling you that this is a dead body. But this information, when it goes to your mind has been preached by somebody. Okay, don't take it as a dead body, you're changing it. That means you are rejecting the input and the wisdom of your own eye. Your eyes are telling you it's dead body, but your mind has been, manipulated by somebody and told कि इसको drama बना दो, which you claim you have done it. Now you tell me, look, that's okay. That's good that you're accepting it. इसका मतलब Vignesh, was it the problem of your eyes?
Definitely not, sir.
No, because your eye, it was your head. And it was your head. Had you not read that book, had you not watched that video, or had you not listened to that coaching, you would not have done that drama. You would have accepted that. That's your natural behavior. इसका मतलब है, in the name of training, we can actually psychologically manipulate you. नहीं समझे क्या बोलो? Psychological manipulation का मतलब क्या है? The inputs that you're getting through your eyes, instead of you accepting that, you are rejecting that, and you're taking an input which has been fed by me in the name of SSB coaching, which you know by your own logic is wrong, but you're accepting it because I gave you a thinking कि ऐसा करने से तुम क्या हो जाएगा, officer बन जाएगा. Now this is crazy training here, and this is very crazy कि young boys and girls who want to become officers in the army, a colonel sahab comes to you and says कि suicidal tendency है, इसे छुपा के officer बन सकता है, and you believe me? That's crazy. That's really crazy.
In fact, the same thing happened, sir. I wrote a story which was that the dead body, the death happened, then something he did in his family, and he supported. I was told that whatever you're doing is wrong. This is very wrong. What you have to do is you can make it a drama, or try to avoid the situation rather than facing the situation, because that is what they want. That is what I've been told, sir, at that point of time.
Stop. Now, whoever person is this told, he is an officer from the Army, Navy, Air Force.
Yes, sir.
Now, I will just a point for all of you to think, including Vignesh. Those people who are watching this video, I'll request you, इस जो मैं बोलने वाला हूँ, इसको सुन के इसके ऊपर comment बताना. When I am talking to you and Vignesh is talking to me, Vignesh is talking to me, I am talking to Vignesh. I am able to see Vignesh using my eyes, and I am able to hear Vignesh using my ears. But the message that Vignesh is transmitting, my ears are incapable of decoding the message. My ears can only vibrate. It creates a vibration. That vibration goes to my intelligence. It is my intelligence which has to differentiate the message. My mind works on logic. So I am asking you, Vignesh, when I as a coaching wala sir, I tell you that SSB is looking for those people who can convert a dead body into drama, because those people are positive. Am I hitting at your intellect, or am I making your ear vibrate with no logic?
It is definitely no logic, sir.
There is no logic. There is no logic.
Sir, but one thing what happens with us as candidates is that we want to get recommended. So we start following whatever is being told because the person opposite to us has been in the system, etc.
That's a place where you as a candidate, you matlab not Vignesh, all of you as a candidate, you have to understand कि तुम जब बिना मेहनत किए shortcut to success लेते हो, then the logic is bypassed. उस चीज का मैं एज ए कोचिंग वाला फायदा उठाता हूं. आपको समझ में आ रहा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, विघ्नेश क्या बोला?
Yes, sir.
Because you say I want to get recommended even when I am not capable, so I give you assurance कि I am number one. You come to me and I will make sure that you get recommended even when you know and I know you are not capable. And since you are not capable, your IQ is not supporting you, so I am targeting you everything by speaking things that makes you feel good. That makes you feel good, but it is not true. This is called wishful thinking. This is called wishful thinking. Whatever I am speaking, I am not targeting your ears, because your ears cannot understand me. I am targeting your mind. Usme bhi intellect ho. Similarly, when you speak to me, when you write to me, you have to target my intellect, not my ears. I don't know if how many of you understood this. Vignesh, have you understood this?
Sir, the internet is
there was a little
on the screen.
Yeah, you are audible. There was a little lag. Have you understood, Vignesh?
Yes, sir.
And worst thing is, if you ask me a counter question, sir, how can a dead body ka drama banane se they will accept me? The answer is not an intellectual response. The answer from me, coaching wala, will be, officer banna to jo main bolta hu waisa hi karo. So you are shut down. Matlab don't use. Yeah.
I got the exact same thing which you were just saying, sir.
So that's very unfortunate. मतलब don't ask question. ऑफिसर बनना तो जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ वैसा करो. डेड बॉडी का ड्रामा बनाओ, फट्टा को उठा के भागो, लोग दूसरों से उठाओ. You are a monkey. क्योंकि आप अपना दिमाग ही नहीं लगा, और दिमाग लगाते तो क्या बोलता हूँ मैं? Don't use your head. जैसा मैं बोलता हूँ वैसा करो. Is that the way to get recommended? No. तो ये तुम्हारा जो छटपटाहट है ना ऑफिसर बनने का, this छटपटाहट is actually is the weapon that we are using to exploit you. I don't know कितनों को मेरी बात समझ में आ रहा है. I want comments from people. So don't, when you speak to the psychologist, when you speak to the interviewing officer, when you speak to the GTO, do not speak to make them listen at the ear level. Hit them at the intellect. क्योंकि वो तुम्हें recommend करना है नहीं करना है, वो अपने बुद्धि से decide करेंगे. So target your communication with the intellect, not at their ears. Ear is only a input device. So that's a very good point, Sai Vignesh, that you have said.
Sir, I would say if people have time, your YouTube videos are more than enough to actually understand a person and get through.
The problem with YouTube videos are they are not pleasing to your ears, but they are hitting your logic, and nobody wants to listen to that. आपको समझ में आ रहा साई विघ्नेश क्या बोला?
Exactly, sir.
The problem with my videos are, I am telling you, the problem with my videos are they are not sweet to your ears.
No, sir.
but
It is very straightforward.
they are very straightforward, and I'm not targeting your ears. I'm not telling you I'm God of SSB, come to me, you will get recommended, even if you're suicidal. I'm not saying that. I'm straight away saying that if you have suicidal tendency, you should not join the army. And anyway, you will not get recommended. There's no point wasting money on me. तो मेरे को पैसा दे दो और मैं पैसा रख लूंगा. You will not get recommended. So my communication, my videos are very harsh. They are not sweet to the ears, but they are very, very logical to the brain. But nobody wants to use it because हम सच से डरते हैं, विघ्नेश. हम सच से डरते हैं.
Yes, sir.
We don't want to see the dark side of us. हमें मास पसंद है, तो even though you give me the real money, you are not giving me fake money, I give you fake coaching, you accept that, but you don't want a honest feedback नहीं चाहिए, because सच कड़वा होता है. So विघ्नेश, ये जो AFSU का वीडियो के साथ प्रॉब्लम ये है, it's too straightforward.
Sir, but people who get it will make it.
That's why the clearance rate is only 3.6 बोलते, 3.6 or whatever. So rest 95 people are only dead body का drama and suicidal tendency. So that difference is there. Anyways, hi Vignesh, how was your GTO performance? मतलब GTO में क्या था? Your GD, I'm sure, because of your language skills and content कुछ ज़्यादा problem आया नहीं होगा. Lecture भी अच्छा होगा because आपका वो है.
Yes, sir.
बाकी overall, बाकी ये जो PGT, HGT, command task and all that thing. How was that and how did you?
Sir, my batch was a batch of 7, out of which 4 were already recommended people.
Okay, in your batch, 7 में से 4 already recommended है.
Yes, sir. And one person was earning around 25 lakhs, and one person was earning around 10 lakhs. So it was an excellent batch.
मतलब they were already working.
They were already I was the youngest in the batch, sir.
Okay.
And the GPE part, sir, everybody was a repeater. We were all 5, 6, 7 time repeaters, so everybody knew what to do. And it was a very smooth discussion, sir. Like,
okay.
People no issue, sir. People were speaking. I gave my points. We came to a conclusion within 5 minutes.
Okay.
So that went very smoothly, sir. In PGT, our GTO, sir, he told us that you're all repeater and 4 of you are already recommended. So do the PGT within 30 minutes.
Okay.
And we were able to get the idea, sir, once the GTO had given us a hint and we were able to solve it and we could finish it within 30 minutes.
Okay.
And I was giving them ideas, and in places where I was not getting the idea, I was helping them implement the idea. And so PGT was very smooth, sir. And in HGT, he shifted, he made us odd even, and he gave us, both of us, he gave the similar task and we were able to do it within 10 minutes.
Okay.
And the command task, sir, the GTO had actually, he had given me a very simple task, sir. So this myth of getting a very tough task and getting recommended had actually got shattered now. And I was able to solve it, sir. As I already told you, the GD and lecturate part, I was very confident in GD and lecturate part. My content was, I built up my content and my speaking skills were also good. And so I was able to go through them very easily. And we don't have snake race in the
Air Force, they don't do correct.
Snake
they make
race.
some modification.
But the individual obstacles are comparatively much tougher, sir. So I was able to finish 7 of them. And then, in fact, I injured my finger, sir. So that was one thing which happened because the tiger sleep is very high.
Okay.
And the final group task was very simple, sir. The GTO had told us you can do it, so we were able to do it.
So generally that was that. Okay, मुझे साई विघ्नेश एक थोड़ा सा CPSS के बारे में बताना, because CPSS जो है पहले POPT होता था. Just in nutshell कि what was the whole thing, so that people get an idea about CPSS. How did you train for that?
No, sir, I didn't train for that. In fact, there is nothing available for CPSS outside.
Okay, जरा पूरा एक बार CPSS के बारे में डिटेल में बताना, डिटेल प्रोसीजर बताना, मतलब including the instructions they give you and कोई पहले कोई ट्रायल दिया तो PAPT के लिए पूरा जरा बताना. Take as much as detail you can give about CPSS.
So the CPSS is conducted in 2 stages.
Okay.
And the first stage, they call it a cognitive ability test.
Cognitive ability test.
Yes, sir. So basically, they gave us instrument dials of the aircraft from within the aircraft, like the altimeter, the horizon meter, the compass, etc. And they give us exact instructions as to how this instrument functions. For example, the speedometer, it gives us the speed in miles per hour. The altimeter gives us the altitude in feet. So everything is explained in detail, sir.
Who was the person who was doing it? It was not a GTO, not a psych, not a it was a pilot.
Yes, sir. It must have been a pilot. It was an
Yeah.
officer. He was in a civilian uniform,
Okay.
and he had, in fact, sir, he doesn't explain anything. The device itself, the machine, we are seated in front of a computer,
Okay.
and we don't have a keyboard in front of that computer. So there's a separate Air Force thing where we have options A, B, C, D, E, and we have numbers.
Okay.
So we have to enter our numbers and options from there itself.
Okay.
So the cognitive ability test is basically, so sir, all these six meters which are shown to us before and explained, what are they?
If you remember, can you spell out those meters?
Yes, sir. One is the altimeter,
Okay.
which gives the altitude of the aircraft.
Okay.
One is a horizon meter, which
Okay.
shows the inclination of the aircraft.
Of the aircraft.
One is a meter which shows the aircraft if it is ascending or descending.
Okay. मतलब तो nose ऊपर जा रहा है नीचे जा रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And also they explain about the parts of an aircraft. What is a fuselage? What is a nose? What is a cockpit? What is wings, etc.
Okay.
So 1 meter is a compass, which
Okay.
gives us the direction of the aircraft.
Okay.
And 1 meter shows us the banking of the aircraft as to how suddenly the aircraft is rotating
Okay.
with respect to its turn.
Okay.
So these are some of the meters, sir.
Uh-huh.
These are the major meters which are given, sir. And
Okay.
then the test is conducted in such a way that the meters are the certain, for example, a certain altitude is given, certain direction is given, certain speed is given, and we are supposed to choose the options quickly
Okay.
as to what the aircraft is actually doing.
Okay.
And 15 questions, this is the first test, sir. 15 questions are asked in 10 minutes.
This is part of the cognitive ability test.
It is the first test in the cognitive ability test.
Acha. Okay. Okay.
And then after we finish this, we have a continuous set of questions, sir.
Okay.
Set of tests.
Uh-huh.
In fact, the second test is we have to do 60 questions in 20 minutes.
60 questions in 20 minutes, all based on meters.
Yes, sir. But in the second test, it is only 2 meters.
Which are those?
It is the banking meter and the altitude meter. So we have to
Okay.
understand what the aircraft is doing.
Okay. Okay.
And the third test, we have a compass and the banking where we understand what the aircraft's orientation is in space.
Okay. When this is happening, is there any visual thing also happening in front of you?
No, sir. We have already been explained all this, so we have to imagine and do it.
Okay, mother, it's all imagination. Nothing visually is happening in front of you.
Nothing visually is happening. Sir.
Okay,
Once the
okay.
test starts, nothing that we
Nothing,
cannot ask
there is
them anything.
nothing. Okay, okay. And how these questions are presented to you in the form of a computer screen?
Yes, sir. It is in front of a screen, and then we are so on the table itself, the
Options are there.
options are marked, sir. So we have to just touch them.
अच्छा A B C D जो भी है उसको touch करके खत्म कर दो. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
so how many tests in cognitive ability test?
As far as I remember, it was 10 tests, sir.
10 small sub tests were there.
Sub tests, and in fact, we have maths in it. One of
Okay.
the tests is a completely maths test.
Can you
One
explain what was the nature of questions in that? Just for
Sir,
the
basic profit and loss, multiplication of. So we have 4-digit and 5-digit multiplications, and we'll have to do it quickly.
अच्छा अच्छा.
And interest, simple
Oh.
interest and compound interest. So questions of these levels, sir. They're very easy, but we'll have to do them very quickly.
Okay, okay. So this was cognitive ability test, about 10 tests under this.
Yes, sir. Around 2 hours. So the
Okay.
entire test is around 2 hours.
Entire test, मतलब including PABT.
No, sir. The entire cognitive ability test.
Acha, this itself was 2 hours. Okay,
Yes,
okay. So after this was over, what is the next thing?
After this happens, we have to actually clear it, sir. So the officer comes out with the result that you have people who have cleared and people who have not cleared. Fortunately, 5 people in our batch, all of us had cleared it.
So if you don't clear a cognitive ability test, what is the consequence?
We don't go for flying this thing, sir. We don't clear. We don't even go for the CPSS. In fact,
Acha, मतलब this is not CPSS.
no, sir. This is not CPSS. This is the test before CPSS.
मतलब if you don't clear cognitive ability test, the CPSS itself will not be applicable for you.
No, sir. The CPSS is not applicable. In
Okay,
that
chalo. So all 5 cleared the cognitive ability test. Can you explain about CPSS?
Yes, sir. So basically, what happens is after we clear
Give
it.
it as much as detail as possible.
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
basically, what happens is we are taken to a room where there is a line of cockpits,
Okay.
cockpits lying around,
Okay.
and then we are given a set of instructions by the officer as to how the cockpit functions. For
Okay.
example, we'll have a headset inside the cockpit which has a noise cancellation button so that we hear everything clearly.
Yeah, yeah.
And we are given we have a throttle inside the cockpit which has a lot of buttons, and each button has its own function.
Function.
We have rudders on our feet where we move. So the left and right is actually taken care of by the our feet,
Okay.
and the front and back is taken care of by our hand.
Okay.
And we have certain buttons right next to the screen in the cockpit, which has certain other functions. For example, light is flashed around in the test, and then we'll have to click the button as soon as the light is flashed, whichever
Okay,
light is flashed.
a particular color, red हुआ तो ये दबाना, green हुआ तो that, how fast you respond to that?
Yes, sir. And simultaneously doing the the whatever is given on the screen,
अच्छा, मतलब स्क्रीन के ऊपर जो मूवमेंट करना वो भी करना है.
and simultaneously listening to what is going on and then clicking a button on the throttle.
So मतलब visually, auditory और आपका kinesthetic सब कुछ एक साथ coordination है.
Everything has to be in sync, sir.
Okay.
And then CPSS is also like a game, sir, where we are given a set of games, and then it is around 12 games, sir. And then we'll have to make sure that there's a first trial game, and then 3 games are taken into consideration.
Best of 3 type है.
The best of 3 are taken into consideration.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir. The first game is a trial game where we actually understand how the game functions.
And उसके बाद 12 में से best of 3 लेते हैं.
No, sir.
हाँ.
Each game में we have 4 trials, out of which the first is a trial.
Okay. Each game में 1 is a trial, and
out of the 3 other, the best of the 3 are taken.
Okay. अच्छा. Okay.
And so, sir, so what happens in the aircraft is we have a square, and then we can move. So the left and right is controlled by our feet. The up and down is controlled by our throttle.
Yeah.
So this is the first game, where what happens is we'll have to. So there's a ball moving around in space, and we'll have to catch. We have to make sure that the ball is inside this
That square के अंदर.
Maximum time it has to be in square.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, there is light flashing around at corners of the screen, which is either orange or red.
Okay.
We have 2 buttons of orange and red, which we'll have to click as quickly as possible once the color flashes on the screen.
Flash on the screen.
And sir, we also have a beep sound which is coming in our headphones.
Okay.
And as soon as we hear the beep sound, we have to click a button on the throttle so that it registers.
Okay.
We'll have to keep doing all this simultaneously.
Okay. So there's a lot of coordination between your various sense organs.
Yes, sir. And as you know, it is only once in a lifetime test.
Correct. Huh.
And this is the first test, sir.
Okay.
So tests like this are continuously going on, where one test it is that there are 2 boxes, and one box is moving horizontally, which can be controlled by our feet.
Okay.
One is moving vertically, which is controlled by our throttle.
Okay.
And the other 2 boxes, one box in the horizontal thing and one box in the vertical thing is random. The machine is doing it. And we'll have to use our feet and our throttle to keep the other 2 boxes superseding it.
मतलब वो जो मशीन कर रहा है उसके ऊपर तुमने दूसरे बॉक्स को मैन्युअली उसको ऊपर सुपर इम्पोज करना है
सर. Yes, sir.
मशीन के मूवमेंट के साथ तुमने दूसरे जो है जो विच इज इन योर कंट्रोल यू हैव टू सुपर इम्पोज ऑन दैट.
Yes, sir. And it is very confusing, sir, because generally pushing away is pushing, it is up, and pulling towards us is down. But here it is opposite, sir. Pulling back is up.
इसमें माइंड का वो कोऑर्डिनेशन उल्टा हो जाता है, मतलब जब ऊपर कर रहा है आपने उल्टा खींच के नीचे चला गया, दैट काइंड.
It is very confusing, sir, but with the trial test we understand it properly.
Okay.
And then there is one more game, sir, where there's a lot of smileys.
अच्छा.
The entire screen is filled with a lot of various emoticons. And then a certain emoticon is shown to us that you'll have to pick this emoticon from the entire screen.
Okay.
So there's like hundreds of emoticons, and you'll have to continuously pick all the emoticons that are present.
Okay.
And then this is also a set of 4.
मतलब this is basically जैसे target identification type है ये.
Yes, sir.
है ना, तो ऊपर से देख रहा है, so many things you have to pinpoint the target.
Take that target.
या तो वो कैसे, मतलब how do you pick it up, कैसे physically उसको touch करना, क्या करना है screen को?
So we have the throttle and we have a fire button on the throttle.
Okay.
And we also have our feet. So we use the throttle to move up and down. We use the feet to move left and right. And then we exactly go to the smiley and then we fire it.
Oh, basically it is like engaging the target type है.
Yes, sir.
आपने उसको करके उस पर करना है, click करो to select that target.
Yes, sir. And then that gets eliminated.
Understood.
That is moved away.
Target acquire कर रहे हो, some similarly इस smiley को करना है. Okay.
And there is one more test where an arrow is moving across the screen, sir.
Arrow.
And so the arrow only moves. Yes, sir. The arrow only moves until a certain point, and there is a black bar here.
Okay.
And then there is another black bar, and we'll have to make sure that once this arrow becomes invisible behind this black bar, we'll have to make sure that it touches this vertical bar. So we'll have to assume the speed of the arrow which is moving, and we'll have to click the fire button as soon as it touches the vertical bar.
वर्टिकल बार
So this is one more test.
स्पीड के साथ अपने बटन को अलाइन करना, मतलब
So we'll-
इट इज वो डॉपलर इफेक्ट बोलते हैं, वो किस स्पीड से जा रहा है वो अंदाजा लगाना है.
We have to assume it, and we'll have to make sure that it touches it, sir.
Touches it. Okay. अच्छा.
Yes, sir. And another test in this is that the entire screen is
This is
like
all,
stars, sir.
this is all part of CPSS का 12 test का. Yeah.
Yes, sir. This is all part of CPSS.
बोलो.
Another test is that the entire screen is filled with stars. It is
Okay.
like that.
हाँ.
And then one star flashes and it comes in green color or something.
हाँ.
And within 5 seconds, we'll have to move to that place and then block the target within it.
Okay.
If we don't do that, then another place we get another twinkle. So we have to go there.
मिस हो जाएगा. हाँ. Okay.
It keeps missing. It is very tough.
हाँ.
So we'll have to go there and click the fire button. So then it changes its color. Then it shows us that you have
You are engaged in. हाँ.
it.
So
Yes, sir.
मुझे before you explain it further, इस टेस्ट को करते टाइम तुम्हारा एंजाइटी लेवल बढ़ता है?
Yes, sir. In fact, the officer tells us once you've finished one task, just cool down, relax for some time, and then start the next.
Because आप इतना alert हो, you are so alert with moving all those things, so naturally your anxiety level would be going high.
Yes, sir. And meanwhile, we are listening to everything, and we'll have to click another button on the drop.
हाँ, मतलब this is a distraction कि उसके बीच में ये भी जाके दबाना है. मतलब
Yes,
आपको कितने मतलब while you are focusing your eyes on that screen, your ears has to be on this beep also. Okay.
And using our periphery vision, we have to click the
click the buttons.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, मतलब peripheral vision focus वो yeah understood. चलो आगे.
And in fact, the officer also tells us that once you start the test, no instructions will be given. So you'll have every instruction is on the screen. So you read it and figure everything
You
out.
can do it. Okay. Yeah. So retention भी जरूरी है.
Yes, sir.
Mental
And
alert.
we'll also have to make sure that everything is functioning properly, sir. Because one of my friends had this issue where he was not able to. He understood that the machine itself had an issue, but he realized this later, so he was not able to clear the CPSS.
So they didn't give him a second chance.
There is no second chance, sir. They'll have to report the issue before itself.
अच्छा, मतलब अगर आपका while doing CPSS या PABT अगर वहाँ पे कोई problem आता है, you have to tell them right then.
Before the test begins itself, we'll have to make sure that everything is functioning
Okay,
properly.
you have to check the serviceability. It is like before you know get onto the aircraft, you have to check the serviceability of the all extra वो check करते हैं. आपने देखा होगा पायलट घूम के check करते हैं.
Yes.
Similarly, आपको अपना टेस्ट शुरू करने से पहले पूरे सिस्टम को टेस्ट करके
everything.
कंफर्म, अगर कुछ इशू है वहीं बता दो. Okay.
Because my friend, he reported it later, sir, and then but there was no
Yeah,
doing
khatam.
because he was already instructed before.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So after all the set of tests, the officer comes out and he has the results. So basically,
This result is instantaneous. You finish the test, the result is ready.
because it is in conjunction with the air headquarters, sir.
Okay.
So the results are automatic. As
Achha.
soon as we finish, the result is out.
Okay, fine. तो ये CPSS हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Then that's it. Yeah, PABT. This is the old PABT, na?
No, sir. This is the CPSS. Now we are doing it in front of the computer now.
Okay.
So as far as I know, this is the test which they are doing right now, sir. So this is the thing.
मतलब
which we need
cognitive
to clear.
ability test and this CPSS जिसमें which consists of 12. That's it.
That's it, sir. Yes.
ये जो second part है CPSS वाला,
CPSS.
was it the earlier PABT?
As far as I remember, no, sir.
What is the difference now? Because see, मुझे थोड़ा बहुत ना PABT का अंदाजा था. Since I am from the army, मुझे तो पता नहीं, but यही सब ट्रेनिंग के नाम से पता था. तो there are a lot of similarity, but जो first part तो वो नया ही है. तो what is the, if I don't know if you have been told, what is the difference? PABT erstwhile and CPSS now. What are the common factors and what are the variations?
So, sir, as far as I know, it is very similar. But here what happens is the cockpit and all is integrated with the air headquarters itself.
अच्छा.
And yeah, so basically what happens is everything is computerized. So error from the computer side is very less.
Okay.
So if anything happens from our side, it
It
is
will be your human error. तुम्हारा candidate का गलती है. अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज बताना, like you were 5 of you, all 5 of you tested together?
Yes, sir. So we have multiple cockpits. So we sit next to
How
each
many,
other in
मतलब
cockpits.
just जहाँ पे तुम मैसूर में गए थे, how many people could have been tested in one go in CPS?
Easily around 20 to 25 people could
So
have
there
been
were
tested
22
once, sir.
cockpits available, and
Yes, sir.
इधर का sound इधर नहीं जाता.
Because we have the noise cancelling
Okay,
headphones,
so
so we
there was
don't hear
no
anything.
disturbance from the other people, na?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. So once you start with that, you're on your own.
Yes, sir. But we are on our own.
So that's good that you cleared CPSs and not much of practice. How much वो instruction को समझने में कितना तुम्हें problem हुआ?
No,
CPSs.
sir. No, sir. Because the instructions are very clear. And after every test, the new test has a new set of instructions.
New test मतलब each CPSs का जो new test है उसका भी है.
Uska, they have a separate set of instructions.
Okay,
So
मतलब
this game,
if there are 12 CPSs का test, each one has got a separate instruction.
yes, sir.
You finish with one, then second.
Yes,
So
sir.
all you
And
have to
there's a
be,
trial test also.
then there's a trial. So you have to be really observant to
Yes, sir.
understand. So out of 5, 4 cleared.
Yes, sir. One was not able to clear.
Okay, chala, that was the machine problem.
No, sir. This is not the case. This machine problem case is my old friend, sir.
Acha, acha.
Yes, sir. But one was not able to actually clear it.
Okay, chalo, very
Four
good.
of us had cleared it.
And this happened after your SSB was over.
Yes, sir. This is the next day after the SSB, after the
And
conference.
those people who were not for flying, they left one day before you.
Yes, sir.
Correct, am I right?
Yes, sir. But what happened, sir? The document filling had taken up so much time that the officer had instructed us to stay in the room for the day. And the next morning, the people who are not for flying would leave, and people who are for
Okay,
flying
that
would
is
stay
okay.
back.
That is मतलब that was for administrative reasons ऐसे कर दिया. Otherwise, suppose people who got non-recommended, they would leave after the conference.
Yes, sir.
People who got recommended and not for flying, they will continue with. They will also leave for after that medical thing.
After the documentation, they
After
leave,
they
sir.
will
Yes.
also. And people who are left is these 5 people who are for CPSs.
Yes, sir.
And after you clear or not clear, you also leave.
Yes, sir. That's all.
Now, one more question I want to ask for all the benefit of people who are going for FCAT, flying, oblique, all those things. Like in your medical thing, your medical is for 3 categories. And it says for flying, for logistic, and for administration. Correct? So it says medical is on 5th of July at Secunderabad, wherever वो सब ठीक है.
It's in Bangalore, sir.
Yeah, Bangalore. And it says F bracket में P, flying,
Yes,
then logistic, LGS, and for Adam. यानी कि for some reason, touch wood ऐसा ना हो, some reason if you're flying के लिए अगर clear नहीं होते, you can be considered for logistics and for when, at what stage did you put this options? मतलब ये option कब देना होता है?
This option is, we choose these options while applying for the AFCAT exam, sir.
मतलब FCAT written के time में you have to give.
Yes, sir. We have to give the priority.
तो अगर if somebody does not give logistic and ground, so he will only be considered for pilot, and once he is not cleared for PAPT, his game is over.
So basically, what happens with the test is we cannot whatever we are eligible for, we have to apply for it.
मतलब
So there,
नहीं, for example, in your case, you are a science background, so you are eligible for flying logistic. But suppose if you opt only for flying, and if you don't clear your PAPT after clearing your SSB, your game is
we
over.
cannot apply like that, no, sir.
अच्छा.
So whatever we are eligible for, we have to apply it.
अच्छा, मतलब अगर आपने फ्लाइंग को अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो डिफॉल्ट लॉजिस्टिक एंड ग्राउंड ड्यूटी होता है.
We'll have to apply for it, or else we cannot even proceed for the
अच्छा,
exam.
मतलब that's not a choice.
No, sir. There is no choice.
Okay, okay. So the boy who got not cleared CPSs, तुम्हारे साथ वाला, क्या नाम था उसका?
His name is Kaushik Ramachandran, sir.
So Kaushik Ramachandran is eligible for logistic oblique ground duties.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now he has a choice whether he want to join it or not, right?
Yes, sir. He also got recommended through the Navy, sir. So he's
अच्छा,
thinking to join the Navy.
okay, fine. So that was very nice, and बहुत अच्छा लगा. अब साई एक बड़ा tricky question पूछता हूँ. The tricky question is, this is your 6th attempt. 5 attempts you were not cleared. Now since you're cleared, there is an aura. Sai Vignesh, recommended pilot entry. There is an aura. That aura is definitely there. How much do you think, because you're a recommended candidate, how much you think now you are eligible to guide others? मतलब other aspirants. मतलब आपको समझ में आ रहा है, there are a lot of YouTube channel full of recommended candidates, some of them non-recommended themselves, but they are experts in the domain of internet. So because of internet, it's a medium. So how much do you think, just because Sai Vignesh is recommended now you are in a position that you can guide people? कितना तुमको अपने ऊपर ये लगता है? This is a very tricky question that I'm asking.
I don't know, sir, because I'll only tell people that, if you want to get recommended, become a better person in life,
Yeah.
and then everything will take care of itself.
I want to give a, क्या बोलते हैं, to all my viewers, this interview may be very good because I'm speaking to a person who's recommended, and recommendation comes with on aura. The point is कि till 5 times Sai Vignesh himself was lost, पता नहीं यार कहाँ जा रहा है. So with due respect to Sai Vignesh and all people who are recommended, just because a person is recommended, he cannot guide others, but his words will have a lot of weight because he is recommended. तो ये गांधारी बन के नहीं जाना. People like us who are in the selection system, we are not able to guide you. We are telling you dead body का drama करो. So people who are recommended, how much they can do? It is perception. So there is a difference between the perception of Sai Vignesh and people like Sai Vignesh who are recommended. There is also perception of people who have not made it. So Sai Vignesh के साथ 46 people cleared stage 2. Went through stage 2, but not everybody made it through the stage 2. How many cleared?
6, sir.
6 cleared. So rest 40 people have their own perception. They did not make it. So this is an advice to all candidates who are watching this video. It is good to take information from recommended candidates. You can take inspiration, you can take motivation to work hard, but you cannot take their stories or their SD or their experience or their interview answers and make it yours. That will be manipulation. So all, including Sai Vignesh, I'm taking this interview. Take it for an inspiration, because definitely recommended candidate inspire करता है, but इनके responses को अपना मत बनाना. And this is an advice to all candidates who are recommended. Don't start guiding people कि TAT ऐसा लिखना, WAT ऐसा लिखना, because you are yourself not capable of doing that. We are not able to do that as coaching वाले people. We are manipulating. So that's a pinch of salt जिसके साथ आपने सबने ये वो करना है. Yes, motivation, current affairs सब बढ़िया है, but psychological testing is a complex domain, and TAT ठीक करने से आप ठीक नहीं होगा. That's the parting word and a caution. Matt, this is the second or third time I'm doing such interviews, because I realize that this is what you're looking for, but this has its own flip side. The flip side is, don't take Sai Vignesh ka actions as your action. No, Sai Vignesh is alag, you are alag. You have to build up yourself. So that's a word of caution with these videos, not only mine, all videos. So take that with that sense of work. And Sai Vignesh, congratulations once again. बड़ा मजा आया तुमसे बात करके. And you have been extremely eloquent in expressing yourself. And तुम्हारा CPSS का जो experience था, that was really good for me also, because since I am from the army, my idea about CPSS is very limited. पहले PABT के बारे में मैं सुनता था. एक ब्रिगेडियर बलजिंदर सिंह गिल होते थे मेरे साथ में. He was a helicopter pilot. तो वहाँ पे भी करते थे, तो सर को सुनता था, तो काफी कुछ वैसे पता था. So I find there are a lot of commonality also, but there are certain changes. So altogether, it was fantastic interacting with you, Sai Vignesh, and I'm sure in your third year final, you will motivate a couple of more people from your college. Are they motivated?
So because of the lockdown, we have not been able to interact.
Okay, you have not been able to interact with them. Otherwise, third year, when people are thinking of placement, you're already placed, and that too as a pilot. So congratulations, and I hope your 5th July ka medical also goes well, and you're clear there also. Do let us know what happens there.
Yes,
and we wish you a long and successful career in the Indian Air Force, and God bless you, Sai Vignesh. बहुत अच्छा लगा. Any parting word?
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure talking to you. I mean, I never thought I'd speak to you in this way, one-on-one. So it is a blissful experience.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. And
thank you very much.
We'll request you, all of you, to put your comments here. And अपना जो भी मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे थे उसमें जरूर कमेंट डालना. And CPSS related information, I think people who have no idea, I'm sure Vignesh has covered quite a bit in detail. So to me, it was a great learning. Thank you, and God bless you, Vignesh. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. It was great talking to you.
Thank you.